In today's video, I am going to teach you how to share your chart setup on Tradingview. By the end, you'll know the two cleanest ways to let others see exactly what you are seeing, either as a fully shareable chart layout or as a quick snapshot image. So, collaborators, friends, or your community can follow along with confidence. Start by opening the chart you want to share. Make sure it reflects what you intend to show. Indicators added, drawings in place, and the time frame selected. It's a good idea to save the chart first, so everything is up to date. The most effective option is sharing a live layout link. Look to the top right of the platform, next to your chart name. Click the small arrow to open the layout menu. Inside that menu, find the sharing toggle and switch it on. This enables a special link for your layout. Then select Copy Link to place the URL on your clipboard. You can paste that link anywhere you communicate messages, chats, posts, or emails. When someone opens it, they'll see your chart as you configured it, including indicators, drawings, and the active time frame. They can even copy the layout to their own account to continue working from your template. A couple of quick tips here. Make sure the chart is tidy before you share. Delete anything you don't want others to see. And double-check your time frame so recipients land on the view you intend. If you share with a group only temporarily, you can come back to the same menu later and turn the sharing toggle off when you are done. If you just need to show a static view, use a snapshot image on the right-hand toolbar. Click the camera or snapshot icon. From there, choose Copy Link to get a shareable image URL, or download the image if you prefer to send it as a file. This captures the current visual state of your chart instantly. It's perfect for quick updates, trade recaps, or social posts where you don't need others to interact with the layout. Keep in mind, a snapshot won't let recipients copy your indicators or drawings into their own charts. It's purely a picture, so use the live layout link when you want others to explore or duplicate your setup. That's it. Thanks for watching.